What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Mimi here. So today I will be doing a review on the Naked Cherry collection from Urban Decay. So I got all the stuff from there, but I have everything except one lipstick. Let's get started. The first thing I'm going to start on is the Cherry palette. This palette comes in 12 colors and I really love the packaging. That's why I wanted to do this video. I really love how it looks. I really like this collection because I don't know, it's just very fallish. It has very beautiful colors. The first one is called Hotspot. It's a matte ivory color. The next one is called Caution. It's like a soft beigey matte shade. Bang Bang is like a shimmery pink with some gold flecks in it. Fuse is a soft dusty rose matte. Juicy is a soft warm peach. Turn On is like a light goldish metallic color. Ambitious is like a coppery rose shade. Bing is a deep mauve matte. Devilish is like a reddish plum matte. Young Love is like a shimmery cranberry shade. Drunk Dial is like a shimmery deep burgundy color. And Privacy is a deep brownish plum matte. So those are the colors. They're very beautiful and I like them. This palette comes with a dual brush. One side is a pencil and the other is like a blending brush. So the next one is their blush and highlight. I seriously love their packaging. They always know how to make it, you know? And then it comes with a blush in the middle. And then they have two highlighters. One is like white and one is like, I'll swatch them for you. I feel like the blush isn't like pink. It's more like more peachy. I don't know, I just like more like pinky better, but it's okay. I don't know if you can tell I'm wearing the white highlighter, but yeah. So this collection comes with two 24/7 Glide-On pencil. So they're right here. The first one is called Black Market. It's like a black satin color. I really like these pencils because they're really creamy. And then they have one called Love Drug and it's like a deep wine metallic shade. And I put it on my lower lash line, but you can't really tell, but it's very pretty. So the next in the collection are the lipsticks. I have two, but they come in three colors. I have one that's being mailed at the end of the week, so I thought I'd just do this review now because I can't wait till the end of the week. I bought everything online. It came out on October 5th online on Sephora. I like to shop at Sephora. I don't really like shop at Ulta because they have their products too. I couldn't buy all at once. I had my reasons. I bought the palette and the blush first, and then later I was going to buy the other stuff, but the lipsticks were all sold out already. So I had Sephora email me whenever the lipsticks are back in stock. So they were back in stock one by one, so I bought them one by one, and you know, I got two of the lipsticks already, but then the other one won't be until the end of the week, of this week. So Today is, I think, Monday. So this is Friday. So the first one is called Devilish. Devilish is a berry pink, and I really love the packaging of the lipstick. It's so cute. It's very pretty. I used it already. It has some shimmer in it. The next one is called Cherry, a cream color or a cream finish. So it's like a deep berry wine. I have it on my lips right now, so I like it. It's very fallish. The one I haven't gotten yet is called Juicy. It's a light pink peach with copper micro shimmer, so I'm still waiting on that. And last but not least is the all-nighter long-lasting makeup setting spray. This is cherry scented. It smells good, like cherries. So it comes in this. So that's pretty cool. That's basically it in the cherry collection. I really like it. So I bought every single one because I really wanted to do a review on it because I love the packaging. It's so pretty, and you know, overall I love the collection. The only thing is I don't like the blush. It's not pink enough, and everything else is pretty. I really like the eyeshadow. I wish I could have like made it look more prettier, but okay. So now I'm going to start with the tutorial. I've already did my eyebrows, so I'm going to start with my eyes first. I will be priming my eyes with the Urban Decay Primer Potion. I'm going to tape my eyes because I want to have that clean look. The first color I will be using is called Hot Spot, and I'm going to apply it all over my eyes. The next color will be called Fuse, and I'm going to apply it on my upper crease as a transitional color. The next color I will be using is called Bing, and I'm going to apply that on the crease with the pencil brush that's on the other side. I'm going to go back on the other side and blend everything together. The next color I will be using is called Devilish, and I will be using the pencil side and then apply it on my outer V. So I'm gonna just darken up a little bit. I'm going to take the shadow turn on, and I'm going to apply it with a shadow brush like this. This is from Morphe, and I'm just going to dab it on to give it that color pop. Then I'm going to take that brush and then blend it. To make this look a little more dramatic, I'm going to be using the eyeshadow in Privacy. And I'm going to put it on the outer crease, but don't pull it in towards the inner corner that much. Okay, now that everything is blended, I'm going to take the tape off. Next, I'm going to take a break from the eyes and I'm going to do my face. So I'll be priming my face with the Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer. It's a smoothing primer. For my foundation, I will be using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD liquid foundation in Y365, so it comes in this. And I like to use my beauty blender to apply it, a damp beauty sponge. For my concealer, I will be using the MAC Pro Long Concealer in NW25, and I will be using my 195 brush from MAC. I will be using the Makeup Forever Translucent Powder. I will be using this big brush from Morphe. I really like Morphe brushes because they're very soft and they don't shed. So I'm just gonna set my foundation. Okay, so now I like to go back to my eyes. Since this brush, the pencil brush on the Naked Cherry collection is very thick, I will be using the Morphe pencil brush right here. It's a little thinner. And I'm going to apply the hot spot on my inner corners. And I'm going to go over that with the turn on color. Okay, so I'll be using the color Feels first. And then I'm going to go back to, let's see, which color should I use? I may go, instead of Bing, I'll do Devilish. And also Privacy, but not too much. Lining my eyes with the Black Market that came with the Naked Cherry collection, so I'm just going to line my upper lash line. I'm not going to create a wing because I'm going to smudge it out a little. So I'll be using this smudge brush that I have, this smudger. I will be taking the Love Drug eye pencil and I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line. For my mascara, I will be using the Urban Decay Vision mascara. So I'm going to put on my lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I've done my lashes, it's time to go back to the face. I will be doing my blush and highlight. So this is the blush and those are the two highlights. One is white and one is like less shimmery. So I'm going to do the blush first. I will be using the blush brush from Morphe. I want to try the white highlights, so I will be using this brush from Morphe. Okay, so next are the lips. So since I only have two of the lipsticks, I will just swatch you two of them on my lips. So the first one is called Devilish, some metallized lipstick. It's pretty, it's very shiny. So that's the cherry lipstick. So the last thing is the all-nighter long-lasting makeup setting spray, and it's cherry scent. I'm gonna set my face with that. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this review and tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like this look, give this video a thumbs up and click the bell to be notified when a new video comes out. So thanks for watching, and I guess I'll see you next time. Bye!